Okay, we are ready to ladle some lemon pineapple marmalade in these jars. Got all kinds of sizes in there. Just heating them up, just to get them warm. So we'll do at least one big jar. Ladle that in there. Ooh, yeah, it's warm. Get a bigger jar in there. And always have a wet cloth ready, because you gotta wipe the lids down, or the rim down, so you can get that lid on, so you don't have any gook on it, so it has a good nice tight seal. So it looks like we're only gonna do one of the big ones, and we'll do a lot of the small ones. Oh. Alright, and we'll get popping soon.